Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with a new question from our audience. So the question, which I got in the group was Google Ads disapprove for sexual content classification. Okay, the question is, how do I find and fix this issue? Google Ad, your ad is not showing. Your ad is not showing because of a negative keyword, sexual content classification or distribution preference. Okay, so let me see. The error they have sent, not readable, but I can see the word massage, match 15 keywords, and your ad is not being shown. Okay, so your ad is not showing because of a negative keyword, sexual content classification or distribution preference. So in case if your error is due to your distribution preference, okay, in case if your error is distribution preference, okay, you need to work on your age group. It is because of age group. Okay, you need to look around, targeting 18 plus. That should be your standard. In case if your and if your ad is being disapproved, or if you're if it's due to a negative keyword being called as a sexual content classification, it means that one of the keyword, it's related to adult industry, and that is not being approved to run on. That is why you have to sort out, because you are targeting massage keyword, massage niche. So you have to be very cautious with what's in the borderline and what's out of the borderline. So you have to look around, and in case if you show me the keywords, I can easily tell you. But in case if the word has something which is very abusive or which has a sexual appealing, so then your ad has been disapproved. The second, also there is another reason as well which you not have mentioned, but I'm just telling you to the audience, is because when you are running something, even a spa or a salon or something like this, your ad, there are higher chances that your ads is going to be disapproved for sexual content classification. And it is because the images are much more appealing on your website. It could be one of the reason your images are much more appealing. In case if you have added some excessive content which is below the above the borderline, and that could be another reason for suspension. The further reasons could be lack of updates in the privacy policy page or the terms of service page, and lack of authenticity as well. In this niche, Google is very very cautious, so you have to improve your authenticity. You can add some your social media pages for trust and verification. The active social media pages, not like you have created a new social media page and you're just connecting it with your website, and it do not have a post edit, or it do not have any about or intro edit on the Facebook page or the YouTube page, without a video, without a introduction, or a Twitter account without post or without introduction or without followership. That could be another reason. So you need to improve on your authenticity as well. Even then, sometimes we have seen the cases where the ads are being disapproved. For that, we have to request a manual review through Google team. And in case if you guys need such help, so we provide help and assistance in Google Ads disapproval cases. We also help in Google Ads account audit, optimization, management services. So all you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with me and my team, and we would love to help you sort it out. So I hope this answers the question. I have shared the few aspects without looking around on the keywords. I would rather be more interested on looking on your keyword selections, because the error over here is primarily due to distribution preference, which I have already answered you over here. The second is due to a negative keyword, so I like to look on your keyword list, and as well as on your negative keywords what you have added on, that is causing the issue in suspension. So I hope this answers your question. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.